Yeah, hey everybody. So today we're going to really quickly look at how to monetize a travel blog. A bunch of you in my community are doing some travel consulting or travel logging or travel vlogging and kind of documenting and describing your various travels and travails, globetrotting the world. So as always, people want to know how to monetize that or actually turn your passion for whatever it may be, in this case, travel, into profit. So I want to show you a really great blog theme that you can use that just came out in the last couple of weeks. This is now March of 2018. So I think this has been available for about 10 days or so. And it's called Starmile. You can click on the link below and you'll you can download the theme there. It's really inexpensive. And this just shows you a couple different ways that you can build in monetization features into a blog in a very cool and creative way. So let's look here. This is actually an audio post. This presupposes you're doing a podcast, which isn't necessary, but let's just look at this post. So episode 13, you're going to scroll down and you'll see here in the sidebar, you can actually embed this within the post. Get my must-haves. Here's a little disclaimer. I use affiliate links. And if you scroll over these pinnable images, you can click on this and you'll see it'll bring up a external page. What you would be inserting here would be affiliate links to the people or products or programs that you're promoting in this post. Let's scroll down some more. You have an email capture form built into each post, which allows you to create like a mini course, let's say, or collect names, build a newsletter list. You can then use that to sell other affiliate products. You could sell content or courses. You could sell coaching, travel log coaching, or travel coaching in general. You could sell travel related services, all by dint of having this newsletter, sign up box, and then an automated sequence or series of emails that goes out thereafter. You have a Google Adsense built-in space here. And again, this is all indigenous or specific to this very specific theme. Most sites don't have most WordPress templates don't have this built in. All right, so you have a pop-up form here again for collecting names. You have a slide up down here for collecting names. Again, this is just another occurrence of this newsletter opportunity. And then as you see, you can just, you have more affiliate links here. These can actually be embedded within the posts themselves. So let's look here. This is all, again, unique to this specific theme. You can have a pay to unlock content, so you're actually restricting content for your members, and you would actually just charge for content. This uses a plugin. It's a premium plugin called Restrict Content Pro. That means you have to pay for that separately. We're building these for some of our clients in my agency, so if you're interested in hiring us to do this for you rather than building this yourself, we'll actually incorporate this into your blog for you as part of the package. Feel free to ask about that. Send an email to hi@mindfulmarketplace.com and put travel blog in the subject line, and I'll fill you in on that. But even if you don't go in that direction, you can just create a shop. So here's a shop. This uses WooCommerce, which is a free plugin, e-commerce, plugin. I am talking way too much today. This is like the 12th video I've done, so you'll forgive the speed and babble with which I approach these. All right, so here is a shop. You can actually sell these products here on your site, or you could actually just be linking to an affiliate store like Amazon or anywhere else for that matter, and get a commission for each sale. So if you're selling these on your own site, you'd be making the money yourself, again, by dint of your shop, or you could sell this just as you could refer people to an affiliate link and or product on Amazon or any other store, and just curate products that you're using for your travel, be it a camera, computer, gear, or anything else. Let's look at some of the other features that this has. Again, hopefully this pulls up this page. It may not, but here's an example of shop the post using affiliate links really in the posts themselves rather than the sidebar. Newsletter, again, in the content. I mean, all this is just super cool, and it gives you just really creative ways of monetizing a blog in a world-class way using just a very specific theme designed to monetize a travel or product related blog. All right, hope that helps. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask. You can actually click on the link in the description below and get a chance to buy this for yourself. All right, thanks so much for listening, and I'll talk to you soon.